In this video, I will give an introduction to the concept of intervals in music. Remember that a major scale contains each of the 7 letters of the musical alphabet. When a major scale is arranged in ascending order, each note is given a number according to its position within the scale. These are called scale degrees. Every major scale is identical when thought of in terms of scale degrees. An interval can be thought of as the distance from one note to another within our musical system. Intervals are named by number. The interval number is determined by the amount of letters in the span. The distance from one letter to the next is called a second. It should be mentioned that the distance from G up to A is also a second, being that those two notes are sequential when repeatedly reciting the musical alphabet. If one letter is skipped, the interval is called a third. If there are 4 letters in the span, the interval is called a fourth. Any span of 5 consecutive letters is called a fifth. A 6-letter span is called a sixth. A 7-letter span is called a seventh. An octave is sometimes called an eighth. An interval can be played harmonically or melodically. Regardless of whether 2 notes are played at the same time or one after the other, the interval is still defined by the amount of letters in the span.